Hey folks, front's through. You probably noticed that. Temperatures were in the 90s earlier today. Now we're in the 50s. In fact, readings dropped more than 30 degrees in about an hour and a half today when that front came through. And now readings are down into the 50s every place but the beach. 61 showing up at South Padre right now. 57 McAllen, 58 in Rio Grande City. Future Track takes readings into the 40s for first thing tomorrow morning. And the wind will still be going pretty good tomorrow morning. So it'll feel like it's down closer to right at about 40 degrees. It's going to be a cold start to the day. Could still be some leftover rain near the coast as well, so it could be a cold, windy, damp start, especially in the lower valley. Now, I do think the sun will come out in the afternoon, and with that, temperatures warm up into the 50s. Maybe a couple of places touch 60, but we're officially forecasting 50s. And then Friday morning, skies will be mainly clear. The wind will be gone, but then readings drop into the mid-40s, a little bit colder than even tonight, except at the beach. And then Friday afternoon back in the upper 60s, maybe touching 70 briefly. Same thing Saturday. We start in the upper 50s, a much warmer start with readings climbing close to 70 during the afternoon. Here are forecast highs officially the next 7 days. 58 for a high tomorrow. That'll be the coldest Halloween on record if that happens. 69, 68 for Friday, Saturday. Weak secondary front Saturday holds us steady. And then we're back in the 80s by the time we get to next week. Here's your radar tonight. Still picking up an awful lot of light rain and drizzle around the area. We had just about a quarter of an inch of rain here at our studios today. Doppler shows where the more measurable stuff was. About a half an inch McAllen down to Reynosa, and then a bullseye just to the east of 69C north of Edinburgh, about 1.4 inches. So Future Track says the light rain and drizzle sticks around through much of the night. There's close to 1 a.m. and it just kind of hangs around. But by the time you get to 6 or 7 in the morning, it's pretty much isolated to the coast. Things drying out from west to east. We start to see some sunshine in the west, and by the end of the day, certainly by afternoon, I think we see sunshine pretty much valley-wide, and that helps at least warm temperatures back into the 50s, but it's still chilly, certainly compared to what it's been lately, and certainly for this time of year. And patchy clouds stick around overnight, but if you look at our rain chances, about a 30% chance early tomorrow, and especially near the coast. Western part of the valley, not much at all. And then we're mainly dry through the next several days with maybe an isolated shower Saturday, but that's a big chance. I just don't see much. We're dry Friday, Sunday, Monday, and then moisture comes back in Tuesday, Wednesday, and we bring a chance of rain in once again. Rest of South Texas, here's where we stand. 55 in Falfurrias, 45 in San Antonio, 39 in Dallas, only 24 in Lubbock tonight. There's a lot of moisture in the state, but it's all in South and East Texas right now. Front moves away, so we just wait for the next front to come in, and that'll probably happen, it looks like, on Saturday. And all that does is reinforce the air mass that's here. At the coast, a gale warning in effect, a high risk of rip currents, northerly winds gusting to 40. There are 2 tides for tomorrow. So your first 1 5 accurate with a forecast for tonight. Windy, chilly, showers, wind advisory, 48 for a low. And then tomorrow, 58 for a high. Clouds early, afternoon sunshine, showers concentrated at the early part of the day and mainly near the coast. So for Halloween, windy and cold. Throw an extra layer over that Halloween costume or under it or something. Keep those kids warm. 58 for a high, back in the mid-50s by trick-or-treat time. Sunny and cool for Friday. This is the weekend you set the clock back 1 hour, and even with that, we still see some pretty nice weather, though. 75 on Sunday, back in the 80s from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's your updated First 1 5 AccuWeather forecast. Joelle, I hope you brought a jacket today.